Good afternoon, students. Now I am discussing relation between drift velocity and electric current. This is a 5-mark derivation. Concept is a relation between drift velocity and electric current. Yes, what is the relation between drift velocity and electric current is discussed in this concept. Consider a conductor. This is the conductor. A wire. Actually a wire. This is the positive plate of the conductor. This is negative plate of the conductor. This conductor is connected to a battery eliminator. See, this is a battery eliminator and a plug key. This is the plug key. This is a battery eliminator. And we know that the direction of electric current is taken along the direction of positive charges in a conductor. The direction of, what is the direction of electric current in a wire? The direction of electric current is always taken along the direction of flow of positive charges. Here electric current is taken along the direction of positive charges. So, and you know that if this is the applied electric field, and these are the electrons. Electrons are found moving opposite to the applied electric field. Right? This is the applied electric field, and here L is the length of the conductor. So consider a conductor. Let L is the length of the conductor. Yes, what is L here? L is length of the conductor. Anybody A is area of the conductor. Let A be the area of the conductor. In the last class, I told you how many electrons are present per unit volume of the conductor. In a wire, how many electrons are present? 10 to the power of 29 electrons are present per cubic meter of the cubic volume of the wire. Per cubic volume, it means per unit volume of the wire. How many electrons are present? 10 to the power of 29 number of electrons are present. But see, in our derivation, we shall consider one thing. N be the number of electrons per unit volume of the conductor. For 1 meter length, 1 meter height, 1 meter breadth, how many electrons are there? N number of electrons are there. So I am taking N is the number of N. Let N be the number of electrons per unit volume of the conductor. See, it doesn't mean the total number of electrons in the conductor is N. See, what I am telling is N is the number of electrons present per unit volume of the conductor. Per unit volume, how many electrons are there? N number of electrons are there. So now first we shall say calculate total number of electrons. Total number of electrons. Total number of electrons in the entire volume of the conductor. In the entire volume of the conductor. In the entire volume of the conductor. How many total electrons are present in the total volume of the conductor? In the entire volume of the conductor is. See how many electrons are there. First I am calculating. Now see I am discussing relation between drift velocity and electric current. For that I am first consider a conductor. Its length is L, area is A, and EB the electric field applied on this conductor. Here BA represents battery eliminator. Battery eliminator, key is the plug key. So what is the function of battery eliminator? It provides potential difference to the conductor. And what is the function of plug key? It switches on, it switches off of the electric current in this conductor. So here when plug key is switched off, no electric current flows through the conductor. When the plug key is switched on, electric current flows through the conductor. So first thing I am calculating total number of electrons in the entire volume of the conductor. So equals to entire volume means what? Entire volume means here volume is area. Volume is length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth means area. Down. ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಇದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಹೌದು ಮೇಲ್ ನೀವು ಸರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಲ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಮೆಹಬೂಬ್ ಸರ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಫೀಸ್. See here total number of electrons is the entire volume. Total of n into volume. N ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. See why I considered n here? Because n is the number of electrons present per unit volume of the conductor. So n into volume. Volume means here see equals to n into volume. Volume means length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Volume is length into breadth into height. N into here length into breadth means area. Length into breadth means area. Length into breadth means area into height. Height is h only. Equals to n into a into here height is length of the conductor L. Height is length of the conductor L. So n into a into L. So NaL is the total number of electrons in the entire volume of the conductor. So now I want to find the total charge of all the electrons in this conductor. Tell me, what is the charge of an electron? Negative. Okay, right answer. But negative means here you should take one symbol for charge of an electron. Q. Instead of Q, you can take E, small e as the charge of an electron. For one electron, E is the charge. Right? So here total charge of all electrons. Total charge of all electrons is Q equals to total charge is Q equals to How many electrons are there? NaL. And what is the charge of each electron? NaLe. See, NaLe. Equation number 1. So see here. Now I calculated the total charge present for all the electrons of the conductor. Next, see here constant drift velocity and electric current. So here one thing I want to take, using I equals to formula for electric current, I equals to Q by T, where Q is the total charge, T is the time. Q is the total charge, T is the time. So use equation 1. Equation number 1 is used here. Use equation number 1. So using equation number 1, what you will get here? See what we are getting? Using equation number 1, here I equals to Q. Q means NaLe. Here Q is NaLe divided by T. Q is NaLe divided by T. Equation number 2. Q is NaLe divided by T. So now what about T? T is the time taken by the electron to travel a distance L from negative plate to positive plate. Here distance is L. So to cross this distance, how much time is required? That is T. So time taken by the electrons to reach positive plate. Here is the positive plate, negative plate to positive plate. Positive plate is. See how to find the expression for time taken by the electrons to reach from negative plate to positive plate is. See, I go for taking relation of velocity. In first year you learned velocity V equals to distance by time. We use V equals to distance by time. Here distance is, yes, what is the distance here? Here distance is, here D equals to L. Distance is L. Here what is the distance from negative plate to positive plate? L. So therefore, and V is the velocity of these electrons. Velocity of the electrons to reach from one end to another end against the electric field is the drift velocity. So V equals to Vd. D equals to L. V equals to Vd. So next this one becomes, see, Vd, drift velocity Vd equals to distance is L by T. So T equals to T you bring T here and Vd here. L by T equals to L by Vd. So now equation number 2 nalli I equals to another adalapana. So I hope you understood the first one. I am going to rub the first part here. Here V is Vd. V is the drift velocity. V equals to Vd. So see equation number 2. I equals to NaLe divided by T. T is, now you got T equals to L by Vd. Vd comes to numerator. I equals to NaLe Vd divided by Vd. So Vd cancels here. So I equals NaE. See here L by Vd is there. L by VD. So when VD comes to the when VD comes to numerator, here you should write L. I wrote wrongly here, so I wrote VD here. Actually it is L, not VD. L. So L cancels. VD cancel agala. L cancel agi NaEVD. NaEVD. This is the relation between drift velocity and electric current. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ let L be the length of the conductor, A be the area of the conductor, VD be the drift velocity of the electrons, right? Next ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು n ಬರ್ತದೆ n be the number of electrons present per unit volume of the conductor, n, right? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, first total number of electrons present in the entire volume of the conductor ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. n into volume ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಲೆಂತ್ into breadth into height. n into volume, n into length into breadth into height, n into a into h, NaL, total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ NaL ಬಂತು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಗೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ E ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ NaL ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದ, NaLe ಟೋಟಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಈ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರದ I equals to Q by D. ಸೊ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Q ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, T as ಇದೆ. T ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. T ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So here velocity equals to distance by time. Here distance is L, so V equals to L, V equals to VD. L by T, VD equals to L by T, T equals to L by VD. L by VD. Substituting this in equation number 2, I equals to NaLe divided by L by VD. So VD comes to numerator, NaLeVD divided by L. L cancels, I equals to NaEVD. Younger relation, how the drift velocity depends on electric current? Directly. I is directly proportional to VD. Electric current and drift velocity, they are directly related, directly proportional to one another. Directly proportional to one another.